My name is Peggy Weary. I'm in Negril, Jamaica. I'm at the I See My Baby, She Deserved conference, and I've had an excellent experience. It's my first time in Jamaica. Awesome speakers. I have really enjoyed the experience and the opportunity to see ladies that are equipped and on my journey to advancement in my my experience as a can't think how to say it. With my experience, and it has been awesome. I believe that God has positioned and purposed this for me and my continual growth. Thank you, Alicia and your team, for this awesome experience. Sorry.